okra or okro.
Fun facts about okra. 1. A slimy surprise. Okra's signature slime is due to a compound called mucilage. This substance is a natural thickener and emulsifier, often used in cooking and industrial applications. 2. A versatile vegetable. While often associated with Southern cuisine, okra is enjoyed worldwide. It can be fried, roasted, steamed, added to soups and stews, or even pickled. 3. A health boost. Okra is packed with nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. It's also a good source of folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. 4. A flowering beauty. Okra plants produce beautiful hibiscus-like flowers that can be yellow, white, or even red. These flowers bloom early in the morning and can be enjoyed as a culinary delicacy in some regions. 5. The origin of gumbo. The name gumbo is derived from the West African word okra, which refers to the okra plant. This flavorful dish, often associated with Louisiana cuisine, is made with a base of okra, roux, and a variety of meats and vegetables. 6. A history of healing. Okra has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Traditional healers believed it could help treat various ailments, including diabetes, arthritis, and respiratory problems. 7. A culinary challenge. While okra is a delicious and nutritious vegetable, it can be challenging to prepare due to its slimy texture. Many cooks find that soaking okra in vinegar or lemon juice before cooking can help reduce the slime. 8. A global crop. Okra is grown in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. It is a popular crop in Africa, Asia, and the Americas, where it is cultivated for both domestic consumption and export. Benefits of okra. Okra, a versatile vegetable often used in Southern cuisine, offers a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages. Nutritional powerhouse. Fiber. High in soluble fiber, okra aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Of vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium, essential for overall health. Antioxidants. Okra contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Potential health benefits. Blood sugar control. The fiber content in okra can help slow down the absorption of glucose, making it beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. Heart health. Okra's soluble fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive health. The fiber in okra promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation. Weight management. Due to its high fiber content and low calorie count, okra can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet for weight management. Anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that okra may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could benefit overall health. Incorporating okra into your diet. Delicious okra meals. A taste of Ghana. Okra, a versatile vegetable with a slightly slimy texture when raw, is a staple in many Ghanaian dishes. Its unique flavor and texture add depth and richness to a variety of meals. Here are some popular okra-based dishes. Main dishes. Okra stew. This hearty stew is often served with banku or kenki. It typically includes tomatoes, onions, peppers, and spices like ginger, garlic, and curry powder. Okra soup. A lighter option compared to the stew. Okra soup can be enjoyed on its own or as a side dish. It often includes fish, shrimp, or meat and is seasoned with spices like bouillon and hot pepper. It can also be added to soups and stews for a hearty and flavorful addition. Okra and beef stir-fry, a quick and easy meal. This dish combines tender beef strips with sautéed okra and vegetables. It's perfect for a busy weeknight dinner. Side dishes. Fried okra, a popular appetizer or side dish. Fried okra is coated in batter and deep fried until crispy. It's often served with a dipping sauce like aioli or marinara. Okra and tomato salad, a refreshing salad that combines the tangy flavor of tomatoes with a slight crunch of okra. It's a great way to enjoy these vegetables raw. Pickles. Okra can be pickled for a tangy and crunchy snack. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or are considering incorporating okra into your diet. Okra risks. A closer look. While okra is generally considered a healthy vegetable, it's important to be aware of some potential risks. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Gastrointestinal issues. Okra contains fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can cause digestive problems, especially for those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Symptoms may include bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Kidney stones. Okra is high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. This is particularly a concern for individuals who have a history of kidney stones. Interaction with medications. Okra's vitamin K content may interfere with blood-thinning medications. If you're taking blood thinners, consult your doctor before incorporating okra into your diet. Allergies. While rare, some people may be allergic to okra. Symptoms of an allergy can include hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. In general, okra is safe for most people in moderation. However, if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching.